I will say that I have the pleasure to just represent a group of hardworking people. That is the people that have been working in a task force, very much motivated by the COVID situation, in the situation that many people have been put into, which is to give courses online instead for face-to-face. And the people involved in this are people that do training and also education at different universities. So they have different backgrounds, different countries, and I think that at least 12 different languages. The participants of this have been Loren, Renaud, Andreas, GR, Emiliano, Juliette, Eleni, Dimitrios, Tourbjörn, Adnan, Amre. And each of them has been participating in courses in their own universities, and also in a 2-month intensive master's level bioinformatics course at the Swedish University of Agricultural Sciences. So most of the courses have been used. GR has used also the materials in other courses that he has been involved. And most of these materials are being used in systems that the universities usually provide, which are proprietary solutions and that don't allow to distribute things. And our goal is to create and share materials that teachers all around the world can use, so we can benefit of this by reusing what other people do and also putting our own effort in one place. So what we did was to first of all identify how we're going to do this, and based on the experience we had with what we called the eBio kits, which were standalone machines that we could put anywhere in the world, we were thinking that we will need something that we also put our effort, create things, and then can distribute. We have changed the modality from the eBio kit because the eBio kit was difficult to maintain and needed a very heavy effort from programmers that usually are not available. So we selected a system that is a Linux system, just a server, using the Proxmox Linux system that is a system that has been optimized to harbor virtual machines. And when we identify the hardware and the operating system, what we put there is in this Proxmox that is a virtual environment, was to put the Moodle virtual machines. So everything I'm going to show and we will create, because this is an ongoing process, is a virtual machine that can be distributed to others. And also, if anything happens with the teaching or the materials, this can be just rebuilt from scratch. Why we chose this Proxmox is not only because we will have the Moodle there, but we want also to have virtual machines with different types of software. So in the same machine, if people is interested or would like to do, they can put the software and the systems that they need for the teaching. Kind of the same way as we did with the eBio kit. So you can just have your machine, having the Proxmox installed, and having Moodle and other tools containing software, databases, and workflows. The only limitation is how big your computer system is and how much you would like to deploy. But this is the basic, the skeleton of the work. And Moodle is a learning management system. We chose this. This is very similar to the ones that my university and other universities are using, but those are proprietary, so we cannot distribute. This one, if anyone cannot harbor this, can pay and get the support, but if not, it's free if you install it in your own server. It's very popular, has a very big community, so you will always find people that knows how to work with this. When we are ready with this virtual machine, this Moodle system with all the courses that we want, we are at the moment working to put more courses. At the moment, we are putting some with epigenetics, an epigenetics course. So how to analyze data coming from those projects. We have several projects that we are adding, and we hope that the community, now that we are announcing this, will provide more courses, because we will then invest some amount of money to harmonize the courses and the field, and so everything looks the same. Example of this, because the courses are separated in introductory courses, so you can use this system to give a 1 week or a 2 weeks introductory course in any place for molecular biologists or biologists or medical scientists or veterinarians using different tools. This screenshot is just showing an example of the Eugene desktop bioinformatics package, and an intensive tutorial that we have created with that. And everyone can get the tool and distribute to the colleagues, and also they can teach them how to use this. This is just an example. Then we have more advanced courses. So we have applied statistics for biology. We have high throughput sequencing analysis, RNA, seq analysis, epigenetics analysis, and so forth. We have also intensive course that is programming for biology. So people can learn how to handle the Unix system at the introductory level, but also as an advanced level, and practice with Python and coding and everything that is needed to become a bioinformatician at different levels. What is next from this exercise? I will say that we will welcome more collaborators just by announcing in small groups. We have already some organizations that are interested in providing funds and providing more resources, and they are interested in kind of using the system, but we will need more people that collaborate in creating and adapting and putting things. The whole idea with this is do not reinvent the wheel, just share. If you have done a very good tutorial and if it's there, you can use it and share. And you will save a lot of money when you're doing your courses. Our course in Uppsala is a 2-month course. It's every day from 9 to 4 in the afternoon. Most of the tutorials and things we use then are in this system. And we have been also getting help from others, because we use other people's teaching that are based in the same philosophy. So we save a lot of time using common resources. And that was what I had to present for you. And again, this is a community effort, and we are very open for more collaboration and more people on board. Thank you.